Hey guys, look where we are. Wynn Stadium for the first round of the YZ65 Cup in 2024. We're really excited to be here and it's going to be an awesome event. Can't wait. We have 22 riders here this weekend. 2 riders from New Zealand that have come all the way across the ditch. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for these kids.
We've been invited from Yamaha Australia, and it's just a really big event to be a part of, and we're quite proud to be here.
I can imagine for some of these kids it just must be an amazing experience to be here, and you know, they're pitted right across from the CDR guys, and be out there on that in that stadium here tonight. It's going to be really, really cool.
So we've got so much on for these kids today. It's going to be a packed day. We've got a track walk. An autograph session. Practice session and a race to finish the night off.
It's going to be a good day, and the weather is turning it on, so the track looks awesome. Everyone is super excited. All the kids are all signed on, all lined up and pumped to go riding.
Being an Oz Supercross in front of a big crowd, it will be quite nerve-wracking for them. So yeah, we're just here to support that, get them through the race nerves, and most of all, make sure that they have an absolute fun time out there in their experience.
It's important to just, you know, trust yourself, back yourself, know that you've done the training, or know that you got the, you can do it. That's the thing, trust yourself. That's the most important thing.
Bit of an update for the day. We've had practice, we've done signing already. The kids have just lived the factory life. We're in here in the main part of the pits. It's absolutely insane. There's so many people here. It's epic. I'm absolutely loving it.
These kids have been frothing. They've been so excited. Every opportunity that they've got to see things and do things and experience new things, it just makes them feel like world champions already. It's process, right? So taking them into the track to see where the track was being built, taking them through here to see the bikes, and the bikes are really prepped for them. Everything is just a new, incredible experience, and we kind of lived through them a little bit because for them, it's just the most exciting opportunity ever.
Yeah, I raced here back in 2019 for the 65 Cup, and it was amazing, good experience, especially on the 65 to be on the same track as all the big boys, and it was a great night of racing and a great experience, and now we're here in MX3, another step up, and yeah, we're going to keep progressing.
Yeah, it was really good, just a lot of lappers, main thing was trying to get around them. Got the job done. It was very close in the end, but yeah, I'm super stoked.
Just want to thank you for being a part of the Blue Crew family and being Yamaha customers. So we really thank you. We put this on for you guys. We really hope you guys had an amazing day today. So on behalf of everyone, give you guys a round of applause. You guys did really well.